Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money on this channel. And today, yes, we are talking about AI. I'm going to give you 7 brilliant ways to make money from AI. And yes, you're doing this from home. Those few clips that I just showed you there, that is why people want to work from home. People want to work from home because it is going to give you a slower morning. You don't have to rush to the office. You don't have to sit in traffic. You have the time and the freedom to do what you need to do while you're making money. And you don't have to put on a suit. You don't have to put on makeup. You don't have to do anything and at a certain amount of time. And that's what we all want. That's what we had when we were working from home. And that's what a lot of you want to get back to. I've paid attention to your comments. So I am doing this video about ways to make money with AI. Let's get into number 1. So before we get into number 1, I'm going to tell you on each one what you can use it for, the most popular uses of the software, how much the software is, how long it's going to take you to learn the software, and I'm going to give you a bonus tip with each one that is specific to the software that I'm talking about. Make sure you stick around for number 6 though, because it is my favorite one. All right, let's get into number 1. So number 1 is Canva Pro, and I know you guys have all heard about Canva, but Canva Pro will help you do the work better and faster. So what is Canva primarily used for? It's designing social media content, designing logos, designing ebooks, designing product mockups. A lot of people use it to sell printables on Etsy and different platforms like that, create digital products, all types of things. So let's talk about the costs. Canva Pro is $15 a month if you're going to get it monthly, but if you get it annually and pay for the whole year, it turns out to around $12.99 a month. And for most people, the learning curve on Canva Pro is about 3 days. So it's not a long time that you have to commit to really learning and working your way around the software in order to make items that you can sell. So what I would go for first is, since you're going to be new at Canva Pro, sit down, learn it for a few days, and then try to create templates in order to sell to small businesses for their social media, all of these different kind of things. So you can go in the way of selling it on a different platform or selling it directly back to Canva. But that is a whole nother tutorial. Let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial like that down in the comments. So my pro tip for Canva Pro is, when you get Canva Pro, there is a software inside called Design Magic. And so what this software does is it'll create templates for you just based on your prompt. So you're typing out a prompt description of exactly what you want, and it'll create it based on what you say. Number 2, and I lump these two together, it's Teachable and Gumroad. And I put these two together because they're really similar. These platforms are used for you to sell your courses, sell what you have created, your digital product. Primarily what people use it for is, like I said, to sell your digital courses, to sell ebook, create and sell AI tutorials. Mostly people use it to make how-to AI courses. So you're making a course that is all AI and you're teaching people how to do whatever it is that's in your niche. Also, speaking of niche, this platform has a lot of niche specific tutorials. If you're thinking of niching down, do it before you go to this platform. Do a little bit of research so that you can be in your niche when you start creating your courses. Also, mini courses are really hot right now because it doesn't require a lot of time of the person who's learning it. They can just have like a 2-hour course and then learn the skill and be done with it, learning it from you. Now, cost for Gumroad is free, but they take 10% of your sales. And then Teachable right now is $39 a month to start on their website. So the learning curve for both of them is about 2 to 3 days to launch your own course, and 1 to 2 weeks to build a full course and to get email and sales and things like that going. Now, I will give you a pro tip with this one as well. The pro tip is use ChatGPT to outline your courses so you can get them all organized and kind of laid out. Because if you're going to shoot videos on your courses and have worksheets and printables and things like that for your students, then you want to outline it in ChatGPT first to see how the whole course is going to play out. Now, my next one, speaking of ChatGPT, number 3. Number 3, ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT used for right now? We already know. It's writing, it's research, it's ideation, it's social media captions, it's content repurposing. ChatGPT is really broad in what it can do for people. You can write blog posts, YouTube scripts, email copy, business plans, all types of things can be written with a simple prompt If you guys want a tutorial on how to correctly prompt so you can get all the benefits out of ChatGPT, then let me know down in the comments and I will shoot a video. Now, ChatGPT has a paid version and a free version. You're obviously going to get more with the paid version. The free version is great. Paid version is pro and it's about $20 a month. So to learn the basics from ChatGPT, it's a day. It'll take you a day to learn the basics of prompting, finding what you need to find on there, and just using it in general. So, and I would say about 5 days just to learn how to use it effectively and drill down on what you really want to use it for, and then learn how it can benefit you and your business. Bonus tip for ChatGPT is to use it with Notion or Google Sheets. Google Sheets, we all know, is free. This will help you organize your workflow for your business so that these two platforms can work together. Number 4 is ElevenLabs. So this is an AI voiceover software. Very simple to use. You'll be shocked at how quickly you'll be able to use this software. So what is it used for? To create human-like voiceovers from AI. Now, what do most people use it for? They use it for to do a voiceover on their YouTube video or in their TikTok video, to do audiobooks, to do explainer videos for their company or their course. So this software, pretty simple to use and it's pretty straightforward. So how much is it? It's free if you're going to use less than 10,000 characters per month. So if you just need this for a one-off thing, something that you're only doing once a month, then get the free version. But if you're going to do more than the 10,000 characters, you want to go for the paid version. So it's between $5 and $11, and the higher tier is for commercial use, so for companies and things like that. And then the learning curve for this one is just 30 minutes. So on average, it takes people 30 minutes to kind of work around the software, figure out what they want to do, and then produce an AI voiceover. So usually it's 1 to 2 days to create and explore all of the voices and create a custom voiceover. If you want something that is multilingual in your one video, then that's going to take you a day or two as well. So I will give you a bonus tip with this one. It is to combine it with ChatGPT so you can do your outline, and then also a stock footage software so that you can get stock footage for whatever video you're creating. So you've got the AI voiceover, you've got the ChatGPT to do your outline, and then you've got the stock footage platform to provide you with all the stock footage that your AI voiceover is referring to. All right, now we made it to number 5. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if this type of video is giving you value and which one of the ones that you think you're going to start using this week. All right, number 5 is Midjourney, and it is an art generator. So it's an AI art generating software. And what do you normally use this for? You're going to generate artwork, generate AI images, and generate artwork for your content. So what do people use this for primarily is selling artwork, selling t-shirts, selling book covers, believe it or not, selling social media visuals, all types of things people can use this artwork software for. So how much is it? Basic plan is $10 a month, and the commercial plan, the standard plan, is $30 a month. So the learning curve for this is 1 to 2 hours to generate an image, and then about a week to generate an image that is specific to your niche, like how to prompt and all those things you'll need to learn the software so that you can get out what you want out of it. So it's usually about a week to master prompt engineering for the software to really put in the prompt what you want to get out of it, and then the images that you want for your niche. Say you have a t-shirt business and your t-shirts are all space t-shirts with cats on them. You want to have those prompts written out thoughtfully, specifically, exactly how you want the t-shirt design to appear on all of your t-shirts, and then put each prompt in to generate your design for your t-shirts or for your book covers or for whatever it is that you happen to be selling. All right, number 6 is Notion AI. So we've heard of Notion, and we know that on the other side of Notion, the paid part of it has an AI software to help you get through things faster. So what do people use Notion AI for? Summarizing meeting notes, content calendar, blog edit, team workflows. Yeah, a lot of people using it for their work, maybe virtual assistants and things like that. Content creators using it for their content calendar. What is the primary use? What is the functionality of the software? It's a productivity software. It's a note software. It's a content planning, and it's an automated software. So how much does the paid version actually cost? It's only $10 a month. So with the $10 a month, you're going to get all the AI features. With the free version, it's the free version, so you'll have obviously less features. Now, how long does it take you to learn? I would say to get comfortable about a day or two to get comfortable in the software, know what you're doing. If you're coming from another software like Asana or something like that, then you're going to know how to use Notion pretty much right away. And it takes about, on average, a week to get the software fully integrated into whatever business system you happen to be. So if it's writing all of your blogs, or if it's organizing your calendars and doing your content planning and doing all of editing schedule, or whatever you're doing with your business, mostly it takes about 5 days to a week to get all of these things in and learn how to do them. So, bonus tip for Notion AI is to use it to automate your client notes, your school notes, your calendar, your blog posts, and your blog ideas, all of these different things. All right, number 7 is Pictory. This AI software is a video creating software. All right, what are you going to use it for? To create videos from text using your stock footage and your AI voiceover. It's going to put that together in a template for you. So what do most people use it for? Most people use it to do their faceless YouTube channel, or they can do social media ads, or they can do an explainer video, and then they can have that portion of the explainer video be AI and then have their own footage of themselves. So you can mix things up on how you're going to use it. It doesn't have to be, I can only use this for my faceless YouTube channel. So how much does it cost? The free plan is free, but you're obviously not going to get all the features. The standard plan is $23 a month, and the premium is $47 a month, and you're going to get the branding and team features with this premium plan. And how long does it take you to learn this software? It takes about 1 to 2 days to make your full video, and about 5 to 7 days to really learn all the bells and whistles that this program has to offer. And the pro tip for this software is to use ChatGPT for the outline and to use ElevenLabs for the custom voiceover, and then you have your video. So you've seen that these 7 AI softwares can help either your existing business to grow or to help your side hustle turn into an existing business. Now, if you want some ideas on side hustles specifically, I will put a link to my playlist on side hustles down in the description. Go ahead and check those videos out so you can understand what kind of side hustle you want to start, and then how to use these AI tools to make your side hustle make more money for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. If this video gave you a little bit of value, go ahead and click the like button and go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys next week in my next video. Bye.